What's up, everybody? Just giving you the regulatory signs video. So take a look at this. We got some real live pictures in here for you in a little bit as well to look at, so you can see what it's like out on the road. So regulatory signs, these are the signs that you must obey. They are the legal signs, like things you can get a ticket for if you don't obey them. And if you look at them, they're red and white primarily with black as an accent. There is one that's blue that will pop up shortly, and we'll see that. And you probably have a good idea about it. That's illegal to do something when you see this blue sign. So signs, there should be pretty easy. Stop. This is the only one that's going to be an octagon. It is shaped like that so that you don't confuse it with anything else. So it could be covered by snow, or maybe you see the back side of it, so you see a big silver octagon. You know that the person across from you has a stop sign. Otherwise, they're going to be really simple, to read. Do not enter, yield, wrong way. This sign right here kind of is the first time I want to talk about this. This is no left turns. Now, that's pretty easy, but something you want to write down in your notes. If you need to pause, you can. You want to write down that you are always at the bottom of the sign. Don't take this for granted that you're just going to remember this, because a lot of signs come up while kids are driving and they forget what it actually means. So think of yourself as being right at the bottom of this sign. So as you're driving forward, you can't turn to your left, okay? And no parking, same thing here. No right turns, no U-turns as you're at the bottom of the sign and you're coming up. You can't make a flip around, okay? Do not pass. This one, again, you're at the bottom of the sign and you have to stay to the right, okay? Because there must be something in the middle. Reduce speed, bicycle lane. This one, it should be pretty obvious to you as you're driving along, but it makes common sense when you kind of talk about it. Is if you see this, that means you can no longer go straight. This must be a T in the road where you can only turn left or you can only turn right. Okay. Same thing here, except at the side T where there's an intersecting road from the left. This could be on a very, very large road in inner cities or something like that. But sometimes this just shows that you can go straight or you can take a left, okay? Speed limit sign, that is the limit. It's not well, you can go faster than that. Just know that. I mean, can you go over it a little bit? Sure. Are you going to get in trouble? Maybe not. But you do have to understand that if you go over what it says is the limit, you could be pulled over and given a violation, or a ticket for that violation. Okay. There's our blue sign. The handicap parking, you cannot park there. It's punishable by law if you do. Restricted lane is for carpools only. And the no turn on red, that is, the state of Minnesota says you can stop and turn red on a turn right on a red light when it is clear to do so. But if you see that sign, obviously it takes that away from you. The center turn lane, meaning both of you would be approaching each other and have to turn. Okay, and speed limit again, and a one-way. Okay, now in action, you can kind of see up here there is our stop sign, and right behind it, underneath it, you see no parking, and there you see that it does say that there's do not enter. Over here, you can see a backward stop sign, and over here, you can't see it real well. He's right here, but as we get closer, you can see the backward stop sign here, a dead end, a stop sign, and a do not enter. This must mean that that's a one-way. We can't go in, but they can definitely come out. And here you can kind of see we don't have anything telling us we can't go right, so we could do that. We don't have anything saying we can't go left, but it does say that it's a dead end. And you can see how blinding or how big that post can be and get in the way. And this is just a car. This is not a pickup truck with a wider post. All right, here's another intersection. You can see stop sign, no left turn. Stop sign here doesn't say we can't go there, but up here you can see it says we cannot go left, and there's a stop sign. So this road crossing right here must be a one-way road going to the right. And here we have another one where obviously stop sign. You can just barely see this stop sign right here, and there's a one-way. We cannot go straight because that's a driveway, so we only have one option.